So normal setup like usual, we have 2 strength movements. You're gonna go through 4 sets of it. Once we complete that, then we'll start a 20-minute AMRAP, and I'll get into that in a second. So for the strength portion, we're doing 4 sets of 10 alternating bent over rows. So like we talked about last week, if you don't have dumbbells, that's okay. Grab whatever you have to utilize, cans, odd objects, backpacks, whatever you want to use. We're going to be holding dumbbells at your sides. We're going to bend over, back is really straight, and then from there I'm rowing up towards my rib. My elbow stays close to my body, and I'll be doing alternating reps. So it'll be 10 on each side, 20 total, okay? My back stays straight, I'm not up here. So again, we talked about this last week. You don't want to be in an upward position because then it becomes more of a shrug. You really want to hinge into that hip and make sure that you're keeping the chest as parallel to the ground as possible, okay? After that, we're going into single leg deadlift. So you're gonna have a weight in the opposite hand, you're balancing opposite foot, and then the weight comes down to tap opposite toe. Okay, my back is staying straight. I'll do 10, then I'm switching sides. Okay. Perfect, so we're gonna go through that for 4 sets, alternate between the 2 movements. And then once you're done, we'll give you a couple minutes to get ready for the AMRAP, which I'll get into next. So, the 20-minute AMRAP, which means as many rounds as possible, we're doing 20 clean and press. So you'll have 2 dumbbells. You're going to let them come down to your sides. You bend your knees, hinge at the hip. You're gonna clean it, so it's now up on my shoulders, and then I'm gonna press it overhead. So it looks like this. Clean, press. Clean, press. Make sure on that press, your arms are locked out. They're right next to, your biceps are right next to your ears. You're not out here, you're not forward, you're not super far back. We want to keep our core strong, okay? After the 20 clean and press, we're gonna go into 15 squat jumps. You have the choice of holding the dumbbells at your side. That'll make it a lot more challenging. Otherwise, you'll just do normal body weight squat jumps. So it'll be here, squat. You don't have to jump super high. Try to land softly. If you're not using the dumbbells, you'll be here. If your knees bother you for whatever reason, you can always just do a squat to toe, okay? So it's still an explosive movement, you're just not leaving the ground. And then after 15 of those, we're going to 10 half burpees. So you're gonna plant the hands, jump the feet back, jump the feet forward, and up. So you don't have to worry about that chest to ground portion, just the jump back, okay? 10 of those, and then 5 push-ups. You can modify by dropping the knees or elevating yourself onto a box. You guys know the drill. We'll work through that as many rounds as possible for the full 20 minutes.